Welcome to Corn Dog Caravan. We are in Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park, and right over here is the Gunnison River and the Black Canyon.
So this loop trail is right at 2 miles, and the decline's pretty aggressive. A lot of rocks, well, not scrambling so much, but you do have to be careful with your footing. Yeah, a lot of big ones on the trail. Don't know what it's like going to be coming up other than climbing stairs. This morning we camped just outside of Gunnison off of either county road or state road 114. Had a free campsite pretty close to the creek. It was beautiful, quiet, and nice and chilly. It was probably in the mid-40s this morning, but today on the trail it's almost 86 degrees.
I think I'm too old. I don't know if I come down. I can't do it.
So I will say the ascent is a bit easier. It's a little bit more gradual so far. I may eat my words in a minute.
Kind of kicking my butt. Thank you guys for joining us at the Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park in Colorado.
Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and watch for the videos. Thanks, guys.